Hi everybody, welcome to another edition of James Jam. I'm Jame. This is my jam. And today I just thought I'd do a couple of reveal and an unboxing and stuff with you. Last video was kind of a heavier topic, and I have another video I want to do like that.
There's that word again. Heavy.
Autumn Beckman did a video where she asked, it was about an heir of Hermes wanting to give their gardener like 50% of their estate when they passed. And that led to her asking and telling us and asking what we would do if we inherited a huge amount of money. And I mean like in the billions of dollars. And I have a lot of thoughts about that. And so I kind of was going to make that a separate video. And so I just thought I'd show you a couple things I purchased, and then I have some stuff coming from the RealReal. One item came today, so I'm going to open it. I'm not sure which item it is, but we're going to see together. So this probably won't be very long, just a couple of things here. I was just going to show you what I got, what I thought was cool. I had to pick up, I got an order from Dick's Sporting Goods again, and to make sure I got free shipping, I had to add in a couple other dollars, and so I bought these new little Nike socks. I've been using some of the ones that only go about to the heel, and loving them, so I saw these like rainbow colored ones, and so I thought, oh, this is a good month to get rainbow colored socks.
Like a rainbow in the dark?
Or just like, Pride rainbow.
Oh.
But so I got these. I just thought I'd show you because they're cute. And then even the word what's it say, dry fit on the bottom of the toe is the same color as the little spoons. So I just thought these were really cute. But the item that I got from Nike was they're just killing me here with the shoes.
You're killing me, Smalls.
It comes up in the feed, in my feed for Instagram, and then I see that they're available, and
so it comes up in your feed for your feet?
No, for Instagram. But look at this. You know I love the Cortez shoes. Look at this.
We're trying, but there's paper in the way.
I got these Cortez shoes. I have the green suede, and then it was kind of like a moss green. Then they come out with the Kelly green with the white spoon. So, of course, I grabbed them because these shoes are so comfortable. And then these came out with this bright pink with the tan, like, spoon. And I'm like, oh, yes, please. They're suede at the top and the sides here. So let's do an Autumn Beckman spin on my shoes. Da 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 da. You can have white shoelaces. You can have the kind of bright pink shoelaces. Look at the little Nike symbol down there that you get in with the shoelaces. And
so are there any feet on the bottom of the foot? No.
Just tread on the bottom. It's funny because this is so light beige, which is really pretty. But then it's weird that this is white. Missed opportunity. I think they could have went beige, and then they would have stayed looking cleaner longer. Then again, maybe they did that on purpose, so they look dirtier sooner, so you have to buy a new pair.
Or they realize that you buy them and you don't wear them very often, so they never get dirty.
Oh, I wear them. Oh, I just love these. I couldn't help it. I'm like, I have, is it 6 pairs of them now? I don't know. They're so
How many can you wear at one time?
I'm going to go with one. Although I could mix and match the colors now. So I just thought I'd show everybody because they're still on the website as far as I know.
What do you and Imelda Marcos have in common?
Nothing. Let's see what they're called.
Huge shoe collections.
Or whatever. I got rid of a bunch of mine. Okay, Nike, Cortez. Oh, here we go. Playful pink sandal. No, playful pink sand drift. I guess.
Is that in English? Or by the struggles.
There's that. So I got these. And then I believe this is just one of my items. I might have, or did, purchase 3 things from the RealReal.
You might have, or you did?
I did.
Okay.
At the same time. I mean, their shipping's expensive to me. It should be free. Since it's not, I try to,
Here we go, folks.
buy a few things. Stop it.
Oh, wow.
Buy a few things
Look
at
at
once
that.
to save myself. And as it
might
was,
be a
apparently
record
not
for her.
everything was at the same store. What are you saying? And so they were coming in separate packages. So I still don't know what it is. It smells like cardboard in there.
It's so weird.
What is that?
What the hell is that?
I don't know what the hell this is. Let's see. It's all bubble wrapped nicely.
Okay, it's one of 3 things.
It must be in something. Yeah, okay. That's what was throwing me off. So it's all bubble wrapped. And then it came, and this must be the RealReal's packaging. This pretty black
Are you asking or telling
velvet.
us?
Yes. Okay.
Do you know what it is yet?
I think now I do.
Oh, good.
Okay, so
Whew.
this was inspired because I like my Hermes bracelet here, and then I have this Coach one that's like a double. And I thought, well, why don't I look at some of the Hermes double bracelets? And why don't I check the RealReal? Because they probably have some good deals. And I found this one from the RealReal. Some people could probably wear this as a belt because they're thin enough to.
Is that a removable, adjustable strap?
But not me. No, this is a bracelet from Hermes, and it's almost like the color of a kettle leather, but it's a couple time wraparound, clearly.
Like 6?
Yeah, I don't know how many times it's gonna wrap around for me, but and then it has like the little buckle here. The other side's just like the suede side. I don't think you'd wear that. So yeah, I got this. I'll have to figure out how to twist it on my arm and all that, because it certainly looks like it's gonna go more than twice. But yeah, that's what I got. So this might be a 3-timer around. But yeah, anyways, I just thought it was really cool. So I got this Hermes bracelet with like the palladium hardware.
How do you know it's Hermes?
And well, it said it was.
But where
And
does it say it on there?
It says Hermes on the little piece.
Oh, okay.
And there's an H. Does it say it on the leather?
That's not Under Armour?
It's got, this is a size 4, I believe. And is there any other printing on it? Let's see. I don't think so.
I don't know, Margot.
So, I don't see any other printing. Just, oh wait, yes I do. Right here. It says it, Hermes, right? Yes. Hermes Paris. Hermes Paris.
All right. Now it's official.
So, I gotta figure out how this for sure works. Like I said, it looks like
it's not a choker.
It might be a three. I think it's a belt. No, it's easily a lot of women could probably wear this. Not me, but yeah. So I got this to wrap around here, or maybe I'll wrap it around over here. But I just thought it was really cool. So that's my first thing that I have. Yeah, this is really big. It must supposed to be like 3 times.
3 times a lady.
Yeah. So I'll play with it. I'm not going to play with it right now while I'm sitting here, but...
Anymore?
What, right. Let's just look at it, pretend it's going to look... Okay.
Say goodnight, Jamie.
basically 3 times around. Okay, just so everyone can see here. So it's, but I have it all twisted, so it'll be 3 times around, and I just think that's super cool. And so that's what I got. All right, so I was gonna try to keep this really short. Now it's too long, but well, it's not too long, but anyways, that's what I had to stop rolling your eyes. That's what I had to show you for today. I'm just excited to show you, and yeah, that's what I have. If you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing. I would really appreciate it. I'm really trying to hit 3,000 subscribers by December 31st. So, you know, if you're not, I would really appreciate it if you did hit the subscribe button, hit the little bell notification. It'll notify you when I do put up videos, which I do Wednesdays and Saturdays. I do primarily luxury and contemporary handbags and other small leather good videos primarily. Every other Thursday, I do a book-related video where I do a book haul and tell you what I'm reading, what I want to read, show you books I've purchased, things like that. On Mondays, sometimes Tuesdays, but generally Mondays, I do a bag swap where I'll switch from one bag into my next bag for the week. And I also exchange out all my small leather goods as well. So you get to see them, and then I get to tell you a little bit about the bag I'm going into, the bag I went out of, things like that. You can find me over on Instagram as well at James Jam. It's JAME_S_Jam. And until next time, please do unto others as you would have them do unto you. Thank you so much for watching.